name is Vidya Minch from DWPS Maningarh.
And I am Apurv.
On 31st August, our school going to conduct science exhibition.
And for that, we are today here to talk to our teachers and mentors about the exhibition. So in this video, we are going to talk to our teachers and ask them about the preparations.
And we will ask our teachers how they are doing preparation for the exhibition.
How many students have participated in the program and what are the models that are going to be presented there.
So let's see what they are doing for the exhibition.
So this is our physics lab and let's get inside it and see what's happening. This is the physics lab from inside. Let's have a view at it. These are the projects that we are going to have on the exhibitions of 30th of this month. Let's move ahead. So this is our physics teacher and mentor, Atiraj Mishra sir. Let's have a small conversation with him. Hello sir.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good.
So I would like to ask you that what is the primary theme of the exhibition that we are going to have on 30th of this month? Okay.
The main primary theme of this science exhibition is to include whatever the topic we have to into a single context of like space, technology, and innovation for the science and curiosity for the science to develop something new for the society actually. That is the main primary theme for the science exhibition this year in our school.
So now let's move to another lab, another teacher and another host.
This is our biology lab where all the equipments are present for the experiment. So let's meet our biology teacher, Miss Roshan Khan ma'am. Hello ma'am, how are you? So ma'am, what's your intention behind this science exhibition and how it is beneficial for the students?
Yes. Science. Science is not just a subject here. It is a real life based conceptual learning. Our students can learn so many things from science. As we all know very well, our DWPS school always try to give just like a creative and enchanting platform to our students. From this, with this set of mind, we are going to conduct this science exhibition. And during this science exhibition, students can learn so many things. So just like they are making so many models and their creative mindset. Models just like robotics, they are making robots, smart city and smart agriculture technique. And they are using all types of science aspects just like chemicals, techniques and other biostats, reasoning, statistics, all other aspects they are using for science exhibition. And this science exhibition will be very beneficial for our students. So for this set of mind, we are going to conduct the science exhibition. And on 31st of August, we will create totally scientific atmosphere in our campuses with robots, aliens and human skeleton and so many surprising things are there.
Now we are moving to our venue for the science exhibition and I'm handing this mic to Pratham.
Myself Pratham Kumar from grade 11 science and this is our science teacher Shrishti ma'am and I want to ask some questions from her. So ma'am, what is your role in enhancing the impact of science exhibition for your students?
As a science teacher, my role in the upcoming science exhibition extends beyond mere oversight. It's about igniting curiosity and guiding our students to become scientific storytellers. And from the moment we start planning, my focus is on nurturing their creative spirit while ensuring a solid scientific foundation. And I work closely with my students to clarify their doubts and ensuring that they are thinking beyond their boxes and experiment with innovative approaches. This hands-on mentorship will definitely transform the initial concepts into compelling projects that truly shines. And lastly, I want to include that I coordinate with other teachers to weave a thematic coherence throughout the exhibition, and this will definitely give a quality exhibition and fosters a deep appreciation for the wonders of science. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now we will have a short conversation with our science teacher, Kainat ma'am, who teaches us science. So ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, what is the main objective of this science exhibition?
The main objective of organizing science exhibition are to promote interest in science and technology among younger generations, to encourage the scientific and technology development, and to encourage the creativity, thinking, and promoting psychomotor skills through self-designed models or simple apparatus, applying some scientific ideas in their daily life situations, and to create an awareness regarding its impact on development of the country. These are the main objectives to organize the science exhibition.
So that is it for today's video.
See you on 31st August. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Namaskar.